I love you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. So kiss them disappear. Come here, child. Come here, child. We are kissing for what kind of little kiss that? Me don't want to. Come take it back. Come take it back off of me. So that. Okay, guys. So make the tour with me. My birthday is loading up. Okay, somebody grab my bag. Beautiful villa in St. Martin. This is where I'll be spending my birthday. Okay, so let's talk about it real quick. I'm gonna give you a quick tour so you can see where I'll be sleeping, where my head is. Whose room is this? Toy or Nico? This is Nicholas' room or Toy. One of them, they're fighting for the rooms, but it's beautiful. That's my pretty princess. Where's the other room? I may take this one. I'm not sure yet. But we have like 9 bedrooms. There we go in the mirror. You see? So I may take this room. That's cute. I like that art. It's nice and clean. This is where I'll be. Boy, you have connection. Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you, Toy. Oh.
And the cake. You know how your favorite cake is red velvet?
Yeah.
It's blue velvet.
Blue velvet. What? I've never had that before.
Blue velvet.
Okay. I want to cut it. Thank you. I got the best kids in the world. We're all the way in St. Martin. I don't know how they pull this off. Don't ask me. I know Nicholas did some magic. Somebody did a lot in this house. Nicholas, I want to carry them to give ya. Okay, light it. Oh, this is so sweet.
Yeah. Put it with the background, with the water. Yeah. They have all the booze. Yeah.
Wagwan people big up yourself as the boy Dr. Love. Remember to check out all of my page and see me. I have a question. See, all of it Babsy Green and others that follow. How comes Winfred Williams and Anthony Miller haven't get a little tokens as far as the appreciation of contribution to our music industry? Without Anthony Miller and Winfred Williams, you know, a lot of artists would not be where they are today, you know. They have kept the music industry going for years, give a lot of opportunity to a lot of artists. But when I notice, them always honor the pedophile, them and the child molester them in our industry. And give them things to make them feel like they might do something good. But the people them what we're supposed to recognize, they don't get recognition at all. Oh, sorry, I forgot. You have to be on your dying bed and you have to be really sick for them to honor you. Something bad have to happen. So, I just ask a question. When this is going to happen? Are we going to wait till one of these individuals, you know, find themselves in a situation where health or anything like that before we get up and want to give them something where they won't get to enjoy it that much? Listen to me now. We need to be real in our industry. Give roses when people are alive. Don't try to give people when people dead or when something bad happens when everybody has said, boy, they was a good person. We need to do better. And if you're running the culture of the music and running our industry, we should do better. And we should give the people and the tokens that need the tokens. Jamaica Independent come, that we don't see it. We don't see it. How many times they've been giving out things to the pedophiles, them and the child molesters? that are in the industry, that are artists. I guess because these two individuals are not that. Lot of politics going on. Leave your opinion, people. Dr. Love says so.
My name is DeMarco Donner. I live in St. James. I attend Howard Creek Private School at Catching Hall. I live with my mother and she has 3 kids. My story is that it is real hard. My mother cannot afford to send me to school. My mother doesn't have any work, so my grandfather helped me a bit when my mother looked for works. It's hard for me to even find lunch money and fare along with clothing to school. In spite of that, I never gave up. I asked my friends for pencil and I used my finger as a ruler. I aim with a determined mind. I push myself and aim for my goal for a better life for me and my mother in the future. I now pass my PEP exam to my choice, the School of Monroe College, Jamaica. I'll never give up. I really need your help. I cannot afford it any at all to go to school of my choice. So I need your support so that I can become a hard-working child and a pro Monroe student. I don't have anything as of yet to go to school at the end of this month. So please, I'm asking for you to help me on my journey. Thank you for listening, and I am looking forward for your great support.
Nikki with a word for Annie, the TV show.
Because you're a good woman. You're a good woman. And the stop Bamba clot tribe on this Annie because them will never blood clot stop you. Yeah.
Never.
Because the one blood clot race Annie. Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta go come true for you Annie because me see a lot of things out there for you.
In Jesus'
I'm
name.
going you send me a DM Annie because me go help you. And that my blood clot say because I miss a woman power. Me go give you a strength Annie.
Yes.
Because it's time now for you get up out of your situation and make God lift you up.
I give you a follow. I give you a follow.
Okay, Annie, let me give you a follow because I only
Yes.
follow 3 persons. So you will be
Yes.
one of them because you're somebody that I really like and I really look up to.
Thank you.